Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro using your iOS device. So basically you have few options how to doing it. The first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold and empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top. Now add widget, scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you, let's say that's okay for me, and after you decide, click Add Widget. And you can check battery level here, or you can go to the application and check it here. And this is a better option because you have the better percentages of the left one and right one earbuds, and also a charging case. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!